Dear members of ODM family, today marks a significant milestone in our journey as we celebrate the foundation day of ODM Group of Institutions. It fills me with immense pride and gratitude to witness how far we have come since our inception. Over the years, our institution has stood as a beacon of knowledge, innovation, and excellence in education. We have consistently strived to provide our students with the best possible learning environment, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and a dedicated faculty. As we commemorate this special day, let us reflect on our achievements, celebrate our success, reaffirm our commitment to nurturing young minds and setting the leaders of tomorrow. Together, we have overcome challenges, embraced change, and emerged stronger than ever. I extend my heartiest thanks to each and every member of ODM family, our staff faculty, and our students, alumni, for their unwavering dedication and contribution towards our shared vision. Let us continue to say, uphold the values of integrity, excellence, and inclusivity that define us as an institution. Here is to many more years of success and accomplishments as we continue to make a difference in the lives of those we serve. I wish the best day and the 35th Foundation Day to all, to serve for our students, community with love, care, and respect. Thank you all.